Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, gold has been a really nice trending market over the last couple of weeks. This morning, I said that we should definitely potentially be doing nothing but looking for longs, and what happened? It made another little three-way pullback. It just kept on trending up. Like I said this morning, if this really is a flat on the higher time frames, then the 123.6 Fibonacci extension would be my next target, which is right around 3,600. So I am definitely not looking at this as ending anytime soon. I mean, maybe it will go down, but it perhaps will just be another three-way pullback within an uptrend. If it goes up and hits this 123 area, then goes down, then breaks structure, then maybe we could justify looking for shorts in a much bigger way, even though it's probably going to be a wave four on the 4 hour time frame. But for now, we are definitely still bullish. And it really doesn't even have to stop at this 123. It could go all the way up to the 136, which is almost up at $3,700. So definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.